Hey, it's getting a little cooler out and it's time for something savory and comforting. We're gonna use the Snake River Farms Kurobuta pork loin roast to do a Dutch oven garlic and herb roast. This is super easy and it's really delicious. This is one of my favorite cuts. I think it's one of the best values on our website. We're gonna start by just scoring this fat cap. We're just taking a sharp knife. You don't want to cut all the way to the meat, but you want to have it set up, and it's going to make this more of a crackling sort of surface, and it looks nice. Now that we have that ready, we're going to season it up. I've got some kosher salt. Just going to, well, that's a little heavy, but you can't really be too heavy. It's going to go in here and it's going to cook up, so it's going to be great. I'm going to get a little pepper too. Now, we're going to just take this, put it in the Dutch oven and sear it so we get that fat cap nice and brown, give it some flavor and texture. We've got our Dutch oven nice and hot here, so we're going to take this fat cap down. And the idea is we want to sear that exterior so it gets brown and crispy, develop some flavor. These pork loin roasts are awesome for dishes like this. You can also use them and cut them in your own boneless pork chops. One of my favorite tricks. It's something you should keep in the freezer all the time. And we're going to flip it over and you see we've got a nice sear on there. We're gonna get the other side. And because brown food adds flavor, I'm gonna just sear the edges too. Oh yeah, you can see that crust starting to form. It's gonna be good. We're gonna pull this out, put it on the cutting board to rest for a moment. We have that going on. And we're gonna go, we've taken 2 cloves of garlic, taken off the tops, and then we've chopped that up. I'm gonna sear these babies just so we get a nice little finish right here in the pork fat. We have some 1 medium chopped onion. I'm gonna turn this heat down a little bit. Got all that. We have about, I think it's a pound and a half of small potatoes. These are some reds that we cleaned and then cut in half. We're gonna go ahead and put those in there and give these a minute to kind of get going. And we can take these garlic cloves and put them back in, just so the tops are up. So we have this herb and garlic mixture, and I'm gonna take a little Dijon mustard, just so this sticks on there a little bit. We're just gonna slather it right on there, both sides. We're just gonna go to town. Go ahead and get all of it in there. Now we have an oven heated 350 degrees. I'm gonna add a cup of chicken stock to this. Just gonna put that in the bottom. Covering this sucker up. It's going in the oven. All right. And then we let it roast for about 45 minutes. So we'll see you after that. Here we go. So this was in the oven for 50 minutes, and then we took the lid off. It's at a temperature 145. It is gorgeous. So let that fat cap do its thing and get nice and crisp. All you have to do is slice and serve.